If you get this error while installing an operating system on your PC, you can delete the partitions on your drive and lose all your data, and this will fix the error. Or I'll show you a simple way to install an operating system without losing the files on your non-OS partition. Exit this screen and then go to the BIOS of your laptop. Go to System Configuration. Then go to Boot Options. Enable legacy support and then disable secure boot. Save the changes and exit. As your laptop restarts, press the boot menu key to access the boot menu of your laptop. Your USB flash drive will show twice even though you have only one USB bootable drive inserted. Choose the one without UEFI and this will fix the error. Please note I used Power ISO in creating the bootable USB drive. I'll leave the link in the description below.